Finally found our home. Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song A Starry Night in Apollo Bay by RINI. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So for this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be consistent all throughout this entire song. The only difference is that we're going to be using various ways when it comes to playing different sections of this song. So in some sections we're going to be strumming, some sections we're going to be plucking, and sometimes it's going to be a mix between the two. But before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. So for the chords that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the E major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. And that's going to be dead string, 7, 9, 8, 9, then another dead string. The next up is going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. And that's going to be 9, dead string, 9, 9, 9, then another dead string. The next up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. And that's going to be 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, then another dead string. And lastly, it's going to be the A major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. That's going to be 5, dead string, 6, 6, 5, then another dead string. Yep. So again, it's going to be E major 7 chord, dead string, 7, 9, 8, 9, dead string. C sharp minor 7 chord, like this. Yep. 9, dead string, 9, 9, 9, dead string. G sharp minor 7 chord. 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, dead string. That's going to be the A major 7 chord. It's going to be 5, dead string, 6, 6, 5, then another dead string. Okay, so first up is going to be the intro section of this song. So before we get into the chord progressions, I would just like to teach you guys the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this section of the song, which is going to be this one right here. So basically it's just going to be the bass string first, then the D string, G string, B string, then once again back up, it's going to be the G string, then the D string. Yep. So once again, bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the chord that you're using at the time, followed by the D string, G string, B string, G string, then the D string. Yep. So it's going to be like this. Yep. Just like that. Again, it's going to be bass, D, G, B, G, then B. And with that said, the guitar plucking pattern is going to be words for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play for this section of the song. So again, it's going to be the E major 7 chord for 4 counts. So it's going to be like this. Bass, D, G, bass, G, D. Yep. The next up is going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So again, C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7. Going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and as for the verse section of this song, chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep, so basically it's just the same exact thing for the intro section of this song, but instead of repeating it twice, we're going to be repeating that entire thing for 4 times now. But before we begin to the chord progression of this song, the plucking pattern that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep. So once again, it's going to be the bass string, D string, G string, then it's going to be followed by the down strum. Yep. So once again, bass, D, G, then a down strum. So it's going to be like this. Yep. So all in all, it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So once again, that entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. So going back to the chord progression, it's going to be the E major 7 chord for 4 counts, down strum, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, G sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, and the A major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire thing 3 more times. So again, E major 7 chord, C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, then A major 7 chord. 2 more times. Last one. Yep, and there you have it. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. You finally found our home, a place where we both belong, somewhere we can live alone and dive into each other's worlds. We'll fade away out of the blue. We can stay, it's up to you. Watching the stars and they shine, I think I might stay for a while. So lastly, for the outro section of this song, this is just the exact same thing with the verse section of this song. The only difference is that we're going to be doing a strumming pattern now this time. So with that said, the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this outro section of the song is going to be this one right here. Yep, it's just going to be like this. Yep, and that's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Once more, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now using our fingers, I prefer to use this part of our index finger for the down strums and this part of the thumb for the up strums. So it's going to be like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Once more, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. So again, back to the outro section of this song, it's going to be the E major 7 chord for 4 counts. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. G sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire thing 3 more times. So once again, A major 7 chord, C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and the A major 7 chord. Once more. Last one. Then after that, we could finish it all off with the E major 7 chord. So you could do it like this, or like this, or like this. It's all up to you and your preference when it comes to playing this song. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. So this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay up to date from my future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.